Hi, I'm Kendall with the Renos for Pros and Joe's YouTube channel, and today we're going to be unboxing and demonstrating the Halo Canless Nightlight. This fixture comes in a 4-inch version and a 6-inch version. Today we're going to be working with the 6-inch version. Let's get started. This fixture is great for renovation as well as for new construction using a mounting frame which is sold separately. Its 2-inch depth makes this product great for use in ultra shallow plenum spaces. This fixture is great for any room in the home, even a bathroom, because it is wet location listed, and it is also airtight and IC rated, meaning that it is designed to be in direct contact with insulation. Let's take a look at the features of the driver box. If we look at the side of the driver box, you can see here that we have 3 knockouts where you can install your supply wire. But we also have slide inside technology here, and we're able to pull down one of our covers here, and our supply wire can fit right here in the slot, and these grommets here that are built in will hold the wire in place and keep it from moving. We've got our quick connect here for our black, white, and bare wire, which eliminates the need for wire nuts. So you simply strip your supply wires, push them in, and then push them back inside of the box. Once you've made all your connections, you just close the box down and your wire will come through here and it will be secure. This fixture is rated for 50,000 life hours, which equals 22 years if used approximately 6 hours per day, and has a 5-year limited warranty and is Energy Star certified. I'm going to get everything connected up and then we will do the demonstration. Now that we've got our fixture connected, I want to point out our color temperature selections here on the side of the driver box. You can see that we can click down through the selections here. We have 2700, 3000, 3500, 4000, and 5000 K, and we make our selections just by sliding the switch down like this. This fixture also has 120 volt input and has phase cut dimming to 5% in both the downlight and the nightlight modes. The nightlight mode is set at 2000 K color temperature, which you will see here on the fixture. We have all the lights off here in the space, and we'll start off with the nightlight mode. As you can see, this is the 2000 K color temperature, and we can adjust it up to make it brighter. Now we'll switch over to the light function. Now we have the fixture on downlight mode. As you can see, we can dim the fixture down very low. We can also make it very bright. Right now, the light's color temperature is on 5000 K. That's 4000 K. 3500 K, 3000 K, 2700 K. Hopefully you found this video both helpful and informative, and I'll see you soon.